Hi friends, in this video you are seeing my daughter's performance with the tortoise costume. This is made for her school fancy dress competition. So we are going to explain you how we can prepare the simple costume at home, and at the end of the video she is gonna tell little turtle poem, a small performance. Please watch the video till the end. For preparing a tortoise shell, you should take the cardboard in the oval shape, something like this. On top of this only we are going to paste the small pieces of another cardboard. So the pieces would be like a diagonal shapes, something which you really see it in the tortoise. So to make it, first you have to draw shapes in the main cardboard, which I am showing here. So how you can make these small pieces of cardboard? First you draw using a pencil on the top of the main cardboard, then you can cut it and take it from another cardboard. We can use a colorful chart as well, but here we use the white color and try to color it on it.
Now we are going to paint with yellow color. Now finally we colored everything. Now guys, we already did coloring. So now we are going to make brown marker and color it like that. Let's color it.
Finally we have done with the tortoise shell, and to hold this we have to use strong thread or rope and sellotape, something we are showing here. Along with this you can use a black dress, tight black t-shirt, tight pant and socks. You can use black woolen bunny cap and the googly eyes pasted on top of that, which will exactly look like tortoise head.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I'm going to tell a little turtle poem. I am a little turtle. I am a little turtle. I grow so slow. I grow so slow. I carry my